Okay, let's go. Okay. Wait, Ella. We're going. We're gonna touch the water. Wow. Say hello.
Today we're doing a video to go to the waterfalls.
It's been a long time we don't do videos, right?
Yeah.
Well, you been busy?
With my homework. And things.
No homework.
Yeah.
Say hello. Wow.
So today we're going to the waterfalls, and then the waterfalls is gonna be big, but it's gonna be too long the ride. So we have to walk and walk and walk. I think someone just found
Someone came to receive us.
us.
Indus. Look at Indus. Crazy dog.
Hey, we're going down. We're in the river. Now we're going to the waterfall.
It's kind of cold, the water, no?
I want to touch it.
Touch it.
No, it's not too cold.
Okay. Ella, you like the water?
This is so much fun.
Continue. Go.
Not scary.
You're scary. You like the river? Ella, look over here. Ellie, it's too cold?
You're not the cold water.
Look at that. Wow. Yeah. Ella, you like it? Ella. Wow. Ayo. There you go. Come on. There's a rainbow. Touch it. Touch it. Eso, touch it. Playing what? Oh, you're painting. What are you painting there? Wow. That color.
Hey, what is this?
Oh, what is that? Hmm? You didn't like the waterfall? Why? Huh?
I don't know why.
It's too cold up there?
Yeah.
Too strong, the water?
Here's better.
Uh-huh.
Here's where I put all my colors.
You're collecting colors? Okay, find the orange.
Orange.
Yes.
No, that's not orange. I found orange. Hey, what's that?
Oh, Ella found it. Wow, qué bonito pinta. You love to paint?
I want to paint with like paints, but we don't have. But stones are good for paints. See? They look like paints. Oh my gosh!
Now we're in the park.
We're
Wow.
Look at here. Oh,
Hmm?
there.
Yeah.
A dinosaur is behind you, right?
Wow, let's see. Oh my god, it was really close to me. Wow. Say hello to the crazy dude. Wow. That's a nice ice.
Why the dinosaur has purple teeth?
Purple teeth because they didn't paint it white.
But I don't know why
Mm-hmm.
they have two double slides to us again. And that is so dangerous behind us.
Which one? Ah, yeah. Go up, go up. Come on. You can do it. Oh. Going up at the stairs. Go in the yellow. In the yellow, yes. Oh, there is double. Come on. Wow. Wow. You're a monkey. Wow, you're a monkey. Wheel. Let's go there with Ellie. Come on. Tell me the colors. No. Yellow. The next. A. Orange. And green. Green for Gisela. Boo. Where's the monkey? Oh, it's here. Hold on. Be careful. Okay, now go down. Let's go find Ellie. Where's Ellie going? Come on. Go back. Go back. Go back. Wow, almost down. Almost down. Crazy, loca. Ella, go down in the slide. There you go. Bye. Ew. Wow, Ellie's down. Okay. Time is over. Let's go back. Bang.
We go home.
We're going home now.
Yeah, guys.
Say bye, Ella.
This is so much fun with you. I
Mhm.
hope you like this video and we're gonna do it together.
We're gonna come back to make videos.
Yeah.
Okay?
But tomorrow I need school.
Yeah, come back to school.
And I'm in 2nd grade.
Yes.
And I'm so happy because I have a lot of tools and things.
All right, bye to your friends.
Bye, friends. Hope you like this video. Hit the like and subscribe
All right.
and hit the bell.
All right, bye.